The Noseless Bike Seat Cushion is a revolutionary product designed to enhance the cycling experience for both men and women by addressing a common discomfort associated with traditional bike seats. As someone who spends a significant amount of time riding, I was excited to try this innovative cushion and see if it could alleviate some of the discomfort I frequently encounter on longer rides. One of the standout features of the Noseless Bike Seat Cushion is its unique design. Traditional bike seats often come with a horn or nose that can cause pressure on sensitive areas, leading to discomfort and even numbness over time. The noseless design of this cushion eliminates that issue, allowing for a more comfortable seating position. Instead of the usual point of contact, this cushion allows for a more open seating area which distributes weight evenly across the sit bones, significantly reducing the pressure points that often lead to discomfort. The cushioning itself is another highlight. The extra padding is made from high-density foam that strikes a balance between softness and support. Unlike some bike seat cushions that feel too squishy and lack the firmness needed for stability, the Noseless Bike Seat Cushion offers a plush yet supportive experience. The foam conforms to your body while still providing enough resistance to keep you stable during your ride. I found that even on longer rides, I didn't experience the same level of fatigue or discomfort that I typically do with standard bike seats. In terms of installation, the Noseless Bike Seat Cushion is straightforward. It is designed to fit most standard bike seats, and it comes with adjustable straps that allow for a secure fit. I appreciated that the installation process took only a few minutes, and I was able to easily adjust the straps to ensure the cushion was snug. This simple setup means you can quickly transition from one bike to another without much hassle. Another notable aspect of this product is its versatility. While it is primarily marketed for cycling, I found it equally useful for other activities such as indoor cycling, spinning classes, or even sitting on a stationary bike at the gym. The cushion provides excellent support regardless of the type of bike you use, making it a valuable addition to anyone's fitness routine. Moreover, the material used for the outer cover of the cushion is a breathable fabric that helps with moisture control. This is particularly beneficial during long rides or intense workouts when sweat can become a significant issue. The breathable nature of the fabric means that I didn't experience the uncomfortable heat buildup that can occur with less ventilated cushions. Cleaning is also a breeze. The cover is removable and machine washable, allowing for easy maintenance after those sweaty rides. One minor drawback I encountered was that, while the cushion is effective, it may take some time to get used to the noseless design if you are accustomed to traditional bike seats. At first, I felt a bit different with the cushion's layout, but after a couple of rides, it became more comfortable and I appreciated the adjustment. It's a matter of personal preference, and those who are committed to trying a noseless option will likely find it a worthwhile change. Additionally, the Noseless Bike Seat Cushion is suitable for people of all sizes, which adds to its appeal. Whether you are a casual rider or a more serious cyclist, this product caters to various body types, making it an inclusive solution for anyone looking to improve their riding comfort. The price point is another aspect that deserves mention. For the quality and comfort this cushion provides, it is fairly priced. In a market where specialized cycling gear can often come with a hefty price tag, the Noseless Bike Seat Cushion offers great value without compromising on quality. In conclusion, the Noseless Bike Seat Cushion is an excellent investment for anyone who spends considerable time on a bike. Its unique design, extra padding, and versatility combine to create a product that effectively addresses common complaints associated with traditional bike seats. Whether you're cycling outdoors or hitting the gym for a spin class, this cushion provides a comfortable and supportive experience that enhances performance and enjoyment. While there may be a brief adjustment period for those new to noseless designs, the benefits far outweigh any initial discomfort. I highly